So I'm going to use my cat. So ear, eye obviously. The mouth is called the muzzle, the nose, and then there's the elbow right here, the forelimb, the abdomen is up here, right there, the neck, the chest, the stifle is the back right here. This is the tail base, the tail. The hock is this right here. And the hind limb is the back foot. Pretty much it for a cat.